Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel once again. And in this video session, I'll discuss how we can actually get the output queue entry information using the SQL. So let me show you how we can do this. So we basically have two ways to do this. One is the view and another one is the table function. So the view is output underscore queue underscore entries. So from this, I can get the spool file information or whatever the spools were there in my outq. So this is the view. That's the first way to get the output queue information using the SQL. Let me run this. So you can see I'm getting the output key information for various user profiles. And this output queue have several fields like output queue name, library, create timestamp, spool file names which were there present in that outq, username, user data if anyone has the user data, any spool file has that, status of the spool file, size of the spool files and other informations, the job information and other. So this way I can get the spool output queue entries information using the SQL view, that is output underscore queue underscore entries. So that's the first way. The second way is the output underscore queue underscore entries table function. So that's a table function that's made available by IBM and that we can use. But the disadvantage here is we can basically query one outq at a time. So that's, we can call it as advantage as well, because that's make the table function faster. And if we are looking for a particular outq, then then this is the best way to do this. Otherwise, we can go to the root of the view, output underscore queue underscore entries. So the name, if you see, both name are same. One is view, one is table function. So this table function has three parameters: outq name. First one is the outq lib. The second one is the outq name, and the third one is detailed or summary info. So if we want the detailed info, then we should pass star yes. If we want summary info, we pass star no. Summary basically returns some less columns with respect to the detailed information, which returns almost all the columns of this view. So summary, if we pass summary, if we get some summary info, that makes me available everything that we required, and that is faster as well as told by the IBM. So this is the way that we can call this table function. Select a star from table and then that qsys2.output underscore queue underscore entries function. Then we need to pass this values to the three parameters. So the first one is star LIBL. So I'm passing star LIBL for my output queue library, and the output queue is EASYCLASS, and I want to get the summary information. So you can see this is the create timestamp. This is the spool files which are there in my outq. This is the username. User data is null. The status of all these spool files is ready. Size is this one, and other information. So this is the one way through which we can get this output queue entries information. We can query this table function like this as well, where we can filter out some spools. Like if there are several spools having status, let's say ready or held, I can even further set the criteria to select the status of those spools, to select those spools whose status is ready. I can add the where clause as well. So that's how I can work on this table function. So that's the way we can actually get the output queue entries information using a script. First one is output queue underscore entries view, and the second one is the same table function. So that's all in this video.